I'm Sandy and I'm here in beautiful Izmir, Turkey, and the Michelin guide has asked me to take you guys on a tour of the city and surroundings through their best local picks. I am here at Dostlar Bakery to have boyoz. Locals line up every morning to have this delicious buttery, flaky pastry. Super excited. This is the spot to try if you come to Izmir. Right, I am here with my boyoz. Look at them, they look amazing, so buttery, and they are traditionally served with a hard-boiled egg, which I've got here, and then this milky drink made from melon seeds. Let's try. It's very warm, wholesome, and a little bit savory, which I really like in a pastry, so definitely rate this. Sorry, I've got flakes everywhere.
After breakfast, it's time to check out Kemeralte Market, a maze of narrow streets filled with spices, sweet shops and vendors selling everything from fresh produce to seafood. It's lively, colourful and the perfect place to feel the pulse of Izmir.
Ooh, the crunch. Here we go.
My next stop is Kizlerasse. Built back in the 18th century, this old inn is now one of the liveliest spots in the city, packed with little shops and the spirit of old Izmir.
Your hands are going to smell of lemon. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
A true Izmir classic, strong Turkish coffee together with the almond paste treats from Alacati. Let's try this together. Okay, I love the combination, the slightly bitter coffee together with the super sweet almond paste. Doesn't get better than this. For lunch, we are at Kasap Fuat. They are a Michelin recommended restaurant, which is actually a different category to the stars category. Super exciting. We are gonna try the grilled meat straight from the butchery outside to my plate. Ooh, I don't know which one I'm most excited about. I think definitely this one here. Delicious. Here we go. This is incredible. You need to imagine the crunch from the grill, the outside of the lamb, juicy, tender meat inside, and together with this beautiful plate of meze, cold, fresh, homey meat. Yummy. Hey, time to hit the road. We are going to Orla now, which is only about 40 minutes drive from Izmir. Vineyards, good food, and very quaint streets are waiting for us.
Driving into Urla feels like stepping into a different rhythm. Olive trees along the road, vineyards rolling into the distance, and restaurants where everything comes straight from the fields around you. This region is also home to the Urla wine route, with boutique wineries that highlight local grape varieties.
So my first stop is Hus, where local grapes are redefining Turkish wine, and the restaurant here is also listed in the 2025 Michelin Guide.
One of our key missions is to focus on local Turkish Anatolian indigenous grape varieties. We work with Emir and Bornova Misketi as whites. They really make aromatic and wines with crisp acidity, and Boğaz Kere with its bold and structured character, it makes very good red wines. Our goal here is to offer a full experience to our guests. We are trying that the food elevates the wine and the wine elevates the food. Cheers.
Before dinner, I'm stopping by Urla's Art Street, a colourful lane lined with art galleries and workshops. It's a short but vivid glimpse into Urla's creative spirit.
One Michelin star restaurant, Vino Locale, is a soulful spot where food and wine come together beautifully. Its creators, talented chef Ozan and awarded sommelier Sere Kumbasar, developed an inspiring vision of gastronomy, highlighted by the Michelin Green Star. Here, seasonal menus combine the best local produce with some of the most outstanding wines from across Turkey.
Do you want to tell me what we're going to eat today?
We will start with the squid, calamari. It's very local, it belongs to this peninsula, and we serve with some fish sauce made by fish stock and also the fish meat. And then we skip to the shrimp, which is most important ingredient on the world for me, blue-tail shrimp. And also we connect our local shrimp with our local ingredients.
Wow, thank you very much. Okay. First of all, admire the art. Very excited to try this squid dish. super fresh. I love the combination of the squid with the coconut, really incredible combination. There's so many great wines here. What would you say makes local wines unique in your opinion?
It's because of the terroir, of course.
Yeah.
And the local varieties is like more than 70 grapes. For the wine pairing, I am very lucky that we have that kind of richness. Every single dish is another journey for the guests. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ozan always make a challenge for me for the pairing. This one is with the corn sauce, with the bluetail shrimp and also okra. We want to pair this dish, this bottle from the Black Sea area. This is the amphora aged wine, very strong characteristic aroma profile. I hope you like it.
Thank you. So strong with strong, yeah?
Yes.
It's strong, but also a bit sweet.
Also
because
with
of the sweet corn,
sweet
yeah.
corn, yes.
Can definitely see why the blue shrimp is so famous around here.
I end the night with the only dish that hasn't changed on the menu in 7 years, the lemon parfait. The recipe comes from Chef Ozan's mother and its proceeds help support children's education. To go with it, Sarai suggests her favorite pairing, a glass of misket, Izmir's ancient grape.
This was an emotional food journey from Izmir all the way to Orla and ending in this beautiful setting over here. I can't wait to see what the Michelin Guide has in store for me tomorrow. Morning from Alaçatı. I woke up here to this beautiful sunshine at Alavia Hotel, and I actually didn't know that Michelin Guide also does hotels, but seeing this place, I definitely understand why. This is the biggest and most beautiful breakfast I've seen in a long time. Oh wow. So what I've just eaten is fig jam with clotted cream, just absolutely delicious. I would say this is Turkish breakfast at its finest. And even though I'm not a sweet tooth, I actually do really like this. My friend has recommended this to me, so I recommend it to you. Okay, yep. Okay, I'm in, my feet are freezing, but it is super refreshing.
Alacati has some amazing beaches like Chark Beach, where you can swim and enjoy the sun. But it's also one of Europe's top spots for windsurfing, so if you're up for it, you can even take a lesson while you're here.
So I have come to Ortaya Alacati for lunch, which is another Michelin recommended restaurant. It honestly feels like a little slice of Ibiza here, and I have heard it's the perfect place for Mediterranean inspired sharing plates. I can't wait to dive in. It honestly tastes like it's grown on the tree right here, which it might be because there's a lot of fruit trees around. I have learned on this trip that I have to always try everything together that's on the plate if I can. Ooh. So here we go. Wow, this is amazing because it plays with hot and cold, contrast in temperature, delicious.
Alacati's cobblestone streets are full of charm, with pastel shutters, blooming corners, and colorful shops that make every walk feel like a discovery.
Did your mom used to tell you that you can hear the ocean when you do this?
I try one of the famous mastic cookies, soft and fragrant, before stopping by the old windmills, one of Alacati's most iconic sites, still standing proudly against the Aegean breeze.
Now it's time to head back to downtown Izmir for my last evening. Thank you. Thank you very much. For my last evening here, I'm staying at another hotel that the inspectors really loved. This is Key Hotel in Izmir. It's sleek, modern, and right in the heart of the city. Let's check out my room. Wow. Got the ocean here, and then the city over there. Incredible. I feel like I've never seen a view like this before. So this whole seafront here is called Cordon, and people come here to go for a walk, to enjoy the nice sea breeze, and to meet friends. And our final restaurant on the itinerary also takes its name from here. It's called Birinci Cordon Balık. Look at all these incredible, colorful mezes here. I think I'm gonna definitely have some of this aubergine salad. Roasted peppers for sure. Almond and carrot mix here. Şerefet. So this is raki. It's an aniseed flavored spirit that turns milky white when you put water into it. So it's typically enjoyed with a little bit of ice, lots of friends over meze and a long, delicious meal. All of these dips are always better with a little bit of bread. So I'm gonna try the carrot and almond dip as well. Oh wow, I really like this one. Oh wow, okay. I feel like I've never tasted sea bass that tastes so fresh from the barbecue, I almost want to say. I know they have an open grill in the kitchen. You can definitely taste that. I'm sure you can guess, I really enjoyed this Michelin Guide itinerary. It had a little bit of everything and honestly brought me closer to a destination I hadn't thought of visiting before. If you want to see any of the places mentioned in this video, have a look at the description box.